Welcome to Tiny Hands Art.
Yay!
Hi friends! Today, we're going to draw and color a cute turtle step by step. So grab your pencil and let's get started. First, I draw the turtle's head and neck. It looks like a rounded shape.
Oh yeah!
Next, I draw the shell connected to the neck. Woohoo! Now I draw the legs and a big round eye to make it look even cuter.
Wow!
In this step, I add the mouth, a little smiling face with smiling eyes, and draw the details on the shell, like the nuchal shell. Yeah! Now it's time to color. First, I use light green for the turtle's face, body, and legs. Then I use brown for the nuchal shell. That's the part at the front of the turtle's shell.
Yeah.
And finally, I use maroon for the rest of the shell to give it a nice rich color. To make everything look super neat and pop out, I go over all the lines with a black marker. Your turtle looks amazing! If you enjoyed drawing with me, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more fun and easy drawings every week on Tiny Hands Art. Bye!